6 months ago, I was writing ETL pipelines manually. Today, AI drafts 70% of my boilerplate, and I barely think about it anymore. And that scared me, because I realized I wasn't getting smarter. I was getting faster at being lazy. That's exactly what this video is about. What the next 2 years actually look like for software developers, and the one shift that separates those who thrive from those who quietly get replaced. Google's Adi Osmani published something recently that the entire industry is quietly discussing. His core argument, AI isn't just automating tasks, it's compressing the gap between idea and execution. What used to take a team of 10 now takes a senior developer, 2 junior devs, and a good prompt. Here's where it gets uncomfortable. Studies show that when companies adopt AI in their engineering workflows, junior hiring drops, but senior hiring holds steady. The entry-level pipeline, the one every developer used to climb, is collapsing. The traditional learn by doing the boring work first model, dying. And the most chilling stat I found, 96% of engineers say they don't fully trust AI output, but only 48% actually verify it. Read that again. Half of us are shipping code we know we shouldn't blindly trust. And we're doing it anyway. This industry is splitting into 2 types of developers right now. The first type becomes an overseer, reviewing AI-generated code, catching bugs, acting more like QA than an engineer. Spotify's best developers reportedly haven't written original code since late 2025. If that's the ceiling, it's a fragile one. The second type moves up the abstraction ladder, designing systems, orchestrating AI agents, making architectural decisions that AI simply cannot make alone. These developers aren't writing less, they're thinking more. The difference? Deliberate skill protection. If you never solve a hard problem without AI, you lose the mental model needed to catch when AI gets it wrong. And it will get it wrong in ways that hurt. Here's the framework that actually protects your career. Become T-shaped. Go deep in 1 or 2 domains, backend architecture, data engineering, financial systems, whatever your vertical is, and stay broadly competent across adjacent layers. Pure specialists get commoditized fast because AI can absorb narrow niches in months. Pure generalists crack under complexity. But a developer who deeply understands, say, data pipeline architecture and knows enough about APIs, cloud infra, and system design, that profile is extremely hard to replace because the value isn't in the syntax, it's in the domain judgment. Drop in the comments. Are you the overseer or the architect right now? I'm genuinely curious where most of you land.